Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get another garden slot and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get another garden, you can go to this menu, save slots menu, and you can click on view. And then you need to buy a new slot to get another garden slot. And I have already bought a slot. And if we want to switch from one garden to another garden, we just need to click on load here. And now I'm in my slot 1. And if we want to switch, we can click on load. Okay. And as you can see that now my garden is changed. And this is my another garden. I haven't planted something here yet. And if you want to switch again, just do the same thing. I'm going to click on save slots, but it needs time. So you need to wait for about 1 minute to switch from one garden slot to another garden slot. Okay, let me click on it. Okay, we need to wait 2 minutes, for about 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.